So I will show you two methods for how you can easily fix the DIS write error while running any game on Steam method. First, go to Type here to search and type Steam. Now right-click on Steam and click Open File Location. Now select the Steam shortcut right-click and go into Properties here. Click on Compatibility and now check this box. Run this program as an administrator, then click on Apply and then OK. Now restart Steam and run your game. And it is now fixed in 90% of cases. This method works, but if you are still getting DIS write error, then try this second method. Go to Steam. Now click on Settings, then go to the Download section. And here you see the Clear Download Cache option here. Click on Clear Cache, and then go to Storage. Click on the three dots and click on Repair Library now. Restart your Steam and run your game. And now your disk. Write error is fixed. Your Steam DIS error can be easily solved by using either of these two methods. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.